Hi friends, in this video let us see signal system related question asked in GATE 2006 degree paper. The question is x of t is real valued function of real variable with period t. Its trigonometric Fourier series expansion contains no terms of frequency for omega is equal to 2 pi into 2k t 2k by t. Omega is equal to 2 pi by t into 2k, where k is equal to 1, 2, like that it is going. For that, no frequency. Also, no sine terms present. No sine terms are present. We know that no sine terms are present means the only cos term and the DC component might be present. So, no sine terms means surely it will be even component. Even component signal means x of t is equal, or even signal x of t is equal to x of minus t. So x of t is equal to x of minus t. So surely answer A and B are not correct, right? Okay, and you see there is no frequency component for 2k. 2k means surely whatever be the k value, this function will be even only. So there is no even harmonics. No even harmonics. Which under what condition Fourier series doesn't have even harmonics? When it is having a half-phase symmetry. When it is having half-phase symmetry, for the signal is having an x of t is half-phase symmetry, no only odd harmonics present, no even harmonics. So what is the condition for half-phase symmetry? That is given by x of t is equal to minus x of t plus or minus t by 2. So that is the condition for half-phase symmetry. So it should be even signal, so x of t should be equal to x of minus t. Yes, this is correct. And x of t is equal to minus x of t plus or minus t by 2. So this is the correct answer. X of t is equal to minus x of t. This is not satisfying. And minus of x of t minus 2 means it would have been correct. It is there is no minus, so this is wrong. So is A, B, D are wrong. C is the correct answer. Thank you.